Now, I've finished drawing the windows and let me quickly teach you how to draw a door. This is how to draw a door. So now our door is 900, right? So I'll measure 900 like this. 900 cut 900. Then I'll cut it just like the way I was cutting the windows. But the difference between the door and the window is that you are going to use your compass to draw a curve. So there are two methods actually. This is the first of two methods. The first method is to use your compass to draw a curve like this for the part of the door, because when you open the door, it opens like this. So this is the part of the door. The part traced by the door. Then you now use your pencil to line in to the other side. So this is the first method. Then the second method of drawing the door is you cut your 90, and the reason why it's 90 because this is 900. So when you divide by 100, you get now 90 centimeter, 90 millimeter. Sorry. So then you line in up above like this. Then the second method is you can use your tractor to draw a triangle. So these are two methods of drawing your door. So let me increase it. So these are two methods of drawing your door. You can draw it like this, or you can draw it like this. So this first method and this second method, yeah, both correct. So I will draw the remaining doors and then I will be back.